Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, Alchemic Power with your man, Handy Andy. Today we have a service call to replace 3 fluorescent lights in front of an elevator at a residential building. So we're going to be removing the old fluorescents and then installing 3 new LED lights in their place. Hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and ring that bell. All right.
Guess the quote in the comments and I'll send you the full breakdown.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. We will see you next Friday because we release a video every Friday. So we will see you then. For now, for the week, have a great week. Peace out.